Hey everyone, I'm attempting to upgrade from Windows Server 2012 to Windows Server 2022. And along the way, I am running into a couple of issues. One of them is transferring the FSMOs. And so when I go to Active Directory users and computers and to transfer the operations master to the new server, it only shows the server 2012 in both boxes. This prevents me from transferring the FSMOs. In the first box should be the server 2012, and in the second box should be the server 2022. Now here's what you need to do in order to fix the issue. I noticed that the root of the issue lies with the SYSVOL and the NETLOGON folders. Here's how to make sure both of those folders are being displayed as shares. So we're going to start with the SYSVOL. You're going to have to edit the registry on the server 2022. To fix the problem with the SYSVOL, we're going to go to this path in the registry, and you're going to select SYSVOL ready and change the value from 0 to 1. Once you do that, that's pretty much what you have to do in order to make sure that the share will be displayed. Next, to fix the NETLOGON issue, you're going to have to go to this folder path, c:/windows/sysvol/domain, and you're going to create a folder called scripts. And once you create that folder, you don't have to add anything in there, just restart the machine. Once you restart the machine, you're going to notice that both of the shares are being displayed. Now, the next thing that you want to do is that you're going to go to Event Viewer and then click on the arrow for Applications and Services. Then click on DFS Replication. And you're going to notice here there will be an error message, and that's probably because you rebooted the machine. And then followed by the information. Is going to show that it was successful, that it was able to connect to the domain controller, and then it will show that the DFS replication service was successful. And once I go back to Active Directory users and computers and attempt to do the operations master to transfer the FSMOs, finally it will show in the second box that the second server, which is the server 2022, is being displayed. And that's all that you have to do. Stay happy.